Welcome to iTechnolabs, where innovation meets development. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a mobile app. Step 1. Planning and ideation. It all starts with a brilliant idea. Our expert team brainstorms concepts, identifies target users, and maps out the app's features. Step 2. Development. Our skilled developers bring the design to life, writing clean code and integrating functionalities that make your app shine. Step 3. Testing and quality assurance. Rigorous testing is conducted to identify and rectify any glitches, ensuring your app functions flawlessly. Step 4. Deployment. Our team ensures a smooth deployment process, adhering to all platform guidelines. Step 5. Post-launch support. Our commitment doesn't end at launch. We provide ongoing support, updates, and maintenance to keep your app ahead. And there you have it. Ready to bring your app idea to life? Contact us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.